while my next trip isn't really camping per se, that doesn't mean we can't talk about these switches. These are the camping life switches produced by Neson Design that were graciously sent over to me by Click to check out. Neson Design has teamed up with King Nestia, who was the designer for GMK Camping, to bring this collaboration to life. And these will come packaged in sets of 35, paired with camping-related illustrations to capture the mood of enjoying nature together. These 65-cent linear switches are manufactured by GWK and have a modified palm top and bottom housing, 13.1mm P3 stem, a 20mm 59-gram spring, come unlubed from the factory, and have roughly 3.7mm of travel. As far as feel goes, these are damn smooth switches. I've honestly been pretty impressed with a combination of palm bottom paired with a P3 stem, similar to what we saw before with the DD switch. There's practically zero scratch, and while normally I would prefer a double stage spring for long pulls for that crisp return, the longer spring and the camping life switches are honestly just as snappy. While these are unlubed out of the box, I do heavily recommend lubing these switches, including behind the leaf, as JWK leaves tend to be a bit noisier. Apart from that, the sound profile is something that I'm actually quite a fan of, and I think it's only fair to take a listen to them in the Neson N665. Typically, the N6 favors more full-bodied or clackier sounding switches, given that both the PCB and plate have flex cuts and that I'm running no foam. I think the camping life switches do a pretty good job combating the general airiness that the N6 has. The switches have a clean bottom out and a slightly quieter top out sound, but overall I would say they lean towards the clackier end of the sound spectrum. And for tradition's sake, let's hear what these switches sound like in my Vega. With practically every new switch coming out having extended or long pull, which I'm all about, and at a price that is super contentious with other heavy hitters in the market, I think the camping life switches are still a solid choice for those looking to enjoy a snappy, super smooth, extended pull switch. But I am keen to hearing your thoughts on Neson Design's newest switch down below. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Take care and have a good one.